So if you guys saw my vlog, you guys know I got a new cup and I was so excited about it. That very same day, this company reached out to me to review their cups. I love when stuff like that happens. And that was even before I posted the vlog. So like, I just know it was meant to be that I have these cups. Anyways, let's get into it. So you guys can see I chose 3 different cups. I think it's called Dloccold. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I chose more neutral colors. They do have a variety of colors on the site, but I wanted more neutral colors because like every day I wear something different. So like neutral colors is easier for me to match with my outfits because you guys know I love to coordinate. Anyways, but these are 40-ounce tumblers. They're double walled. As you guys can see, they come with the straw, a lid, the little sippy thing on here as well. They're insulated, so they're going to keep your drink nice and cold for long periods of time. Filled up with ice, put your beverage in there. It's going to be like cold all day long. So like this one, they have like a cream colored one like this as well that also has the leopard print on there. But I thought it was really cute as well. I was going to get both. But I was like, don't be greedy, Mom. Don't be greedy. But how cute are these? And they're sturdy. I bought mine to the gym. I don't know if I still have the footage or not, but I'm going to see. But I bought mine to the gym. Love it. This one comes with a little cozy on the bottom, so that way it's more stable, but they're still not going anywhere. But like if you want to have this, like even as like an extra accessory, some of the cups come with these as well. They're just so cute, and I love them so much. So anyways, I got these, and they have different types of cups and tumblers and travel mugs, all that stuff on their Amazon page. So I will link their page down below in the description bar. I also got these dog. So I ordered these for Cash, and he went home the next day they arrived. So Cash is not here for me to show you guys him using the bowls, and they are huge. I'm worrying that they might be a little too big for Cash because Cash is a little dog. Although I think maybe if he had a bigger bowl, maybe that'll help him to stop taking his food out of his bowl and going to go eat on the carpet. So hopefully with him having more room, he'll be able to just eat out of his bowl. We're going to see. But this is what the bowl looks like. Like I said, they're pretty big. So if you have a big dog, this is going to be great for you. They're also insulated as well, so they'll keep their water cold. So I got one for food and one for water. And they come in different colors. But they have like a gripper on the bottom, so that way they stay still. They don't be sliding all over the place. Also, guys, of course, great for traveling. They have a wide mouth, so it's easy to clean them out. Just super duper cute. Super duper cute. Different colors. All that good stuff. I will link them down below in the description bar so you can go check them out. They're on Amazon. Go get them right now. All right. Love you guys.